Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. Hope you've had a lovely weekend and you're ready for a new week of guided reading. This week we're going to be looking at a new book, but first let's remind ourselves of the reading strategies. You can use any of these strategies to help with your reading. The ones I want you to focus on are your eagle eye and your stretchy snakes. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O. You have a go for me? Good job, well done. Let's have another go all together. Rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O. Fantastic, well done. The book we're going to be looking at this week is called The Rainbow Machine, book on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. The Rainbow Machine. It was raining, but the sun was shining at the same time. The children looked up and saw a rainbow across the sky. "I wonder where the rainbow begins," asked Wilf, "and where it ends." In a place far away there was a lorry. It was a very big lorry because on the back was a very big machine. The machine made rainbows and was called the Rainbow Machine. There are 7 colours in the rainbow. It took 7 people to look after the rainbow machine. They cleaned it and polished it and they made sure it worked properly. The rainbow machine had to be ready at any time. Sometimes weeks and weeks went by, a rainbow was not needed. But when the call came, the rainbow makers had to work fast. Off they went in the lorry while it was going along. The rainbow makers got the machine ready. Then 1, 2, 3, go. They pressed the button and the rainbow shot out of the machine. When there was a rainbow, everyone stopped to look at it. Children ran to their mums and dads and said, "What a beautiful rainbow!" Sometimes the rainbow was very bright, but sometimes it was quite pale. Often the children ran towards it. They wanted to find the end of it and play in all the colours, but of course they never could. One of the rainbow makers was a young man called Fred. He was new and he was learning to be a rainbow maker. One day the other rainbow makers said, "Look after the lorry, Fred. We won't be long." The lorry was on double yellow lines. Fred saw a traffic warden. "Oh no," said Fred, "I must move the rainbow machine." So he climbed into the driver's cab and drove away. Fred drove the lorry along the road. "This is fun," he said, "but I'd better not be too long." He wanted to turn the lorry around, so he drove into a field. Oh no, the lorry is stuck in the mud. The wheels spun round and the lorry sank deeper and deeper. "Now what shall I do?" thought Fred. Suddenly there was a door in the field. Biff and Chip came through it with Wilf, Nadim and Anina. Biff had the magic key. A new adventure had begun. The children saw that the lorry was stuck in the field. Then they saw Fred. "Can you help me?" called Fred. "Will you push the lorry?" The children pushed, but it was no good. The lorry was too big, and it was far too heavy. Suddenly it began to rain, even though the sun was shining. On the lorry things began to buzz and flash. "Oh no," said Fred. "A rainbow is needed. This is the Rainbow Machine. It makes rainbows. You must all help me." The children helped Fred to pull off the cover of the Rainbow Machine. "Wow," said Biff. "Is that where rainbows come from?" "Yes," said Fred, "but I don't know how to work the computer yet." Nadim was so good with computers. He looked at the rainbow keyboard. He didn't really know what to do. But he didn't like to tell Fred. "Don't worry, I can work it," he said. "Right," said Fred. 1, 2, 3. The children The rainbow machine sent up a rainbow. Hooray! It's working, said Will. The rainbow was too bright for them to see it properly, so Fred gave everyone some dark glasses. The children looked up at the rainbow they had made. It didn't look quite right. Fred called to Nadine. Are you sure you know how to use that computer? The rainbow didn't look right. First it went straight up, then it went straight along, and then it went straight down. Oh dear, gasped Anima, it's got straight sides. Everyone stopped to look at the rainbow. Children ran to their mum and dads. What a funny rainbow, they said. It's got straight sides. We've never seen one like that before. The rainbow makers were having a cup of tea. They looked out the window. Everyone was staring at the sky. Oh no, said the rainbow makers. What has Fred done? They ran out into the road, but the rainbow machine had gone. Oh no, said the rainbow makers. Where has Fred gone? In the sky was a broken rainbow. What a funny rainbow, everyone said. The rainbow changed again. This time it was twisted, and it was very bright. I like that one, said the little bug. It looks wonderful. We must find the rainbow machine, called the rainbow makers. They looked up at the sky. The rainbow had changed again. Oh no, said one of them. I don't want to look. Back at the rainbow machine, something had gone wrong. Nadine had been too clever. The rainbow was leaking and all the red was running out. The sky was turning red. Oh no, said Nadine. I can't stop the red. Turn the rainbow machine off. Fred turned pale. I can't turn it off, he said. The rainbow makers found the lorry. They were cross with Fred. It will take days to get the sky back blue again, they said. The rainbow machine had to bleach the sky. We never had to do this before, said one of the rainbow makers. I hope it works. The sky had turned white. The sun wasn't yellow anymore. It's a lot better than a red sky, said one of the rainbow makers. A red sky makes everyone bad-tempered. We're very sorry, said Nadine. It was all my fault. Please don't blame Fred. It's all right, said the rainbow makers. The sky will soon turn blue again. Suddenly, the magic key began to glow. The sky was blue and the sun was shining. The rainbow isn't really made like that, is it? Asked Kipper. You had better go to the end of one and find out, said Anina. Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you're struggling, you can listen to me read it again by rewinding the video, or on Opted Owl you can use the play button where they will read it for you. On this week's guided reading, we will be doing another word search. To access the word search, you need to click the link that I will post in your portfolio. When you click the link, it will bring you to this page. You need to enter your name and press start. Once that has loaded, you'll need to press start again and find all the words down the side in your word search. Don't forget to send me a picture of your lovely work.